Designed by Access Architecture and Interiors, the new 240 parking space Monroe County Parking Garage in Bloomington, Indiana, provides parking for county employees and the general public to relieve parking congestion. But rather than appearing bland or austere, a LiveWall greenwall installation adds a living element of green design to the 6-story brick and concrete building. The low-maintenance living wall system fills 5 of the parking structure's window openings with a variety of plants that bloom in shades of yellow, red, pink, purple, and green. The architects said the idea was to break up the otherwise stark exterior of the parking structure with an interesting and visually appealing element. Because the system for this application was not mounted on a solid wall surface, the parking garage living wall had to be installed across window openings within the structure's wall. ProClad designed and installed a framework within the 8 feet long by 6 feet tall window openings with a 4-inch by 4-inch by a 1/4 inch tube steel. They bolted the LiveWall system's horizontal aluminum rails to the tube steel frames. Each of the 5 sections of green wall has 6 rows of LiveWall modular planter boxes, which slides into the rails. Its structural design lent itself to a secure installation within the garage windows in a way that allows for easy access from behind the green wall on the inside the garage. The green wall has a total of 180 plants in a variety of 7 annuals, including yellow, red, and purple coleus, plus silver falls, red and pink begonias, and sweet potato vines. In effect, installing LiveWalls put window boxes into the windows of the parking garage. The LiveWall installation stands out as a beautiful, lively, and distinctive design element on the Monroe County Parking Garage in Bloomington, Indiana.
For more information about this project and many more, explore the International Green Roof and Greenwall Projects database at Greenroofs.com and join our mailing list so you don't miss out on any of the green roof and green wall news and upcoming projects of the week.